Hey ho, teachers and kids. Are you ready for the letter B? It makes the sound B, B, B. Shall we sing it?
Bring your bat and bring your ball, but. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
Okay. Now, there are also words that begin with a B sound. And here they are. B, B, ball. B, B, boy. B, B, butterfly. B, B, bus. B, B, blue. Now it's time to work. Spot the B in the words that follow, okay? Bubble, baby, bamboo, bananas, bumblebee. Now it's time to write the B, okay? Blue line, red broken line, blue solid line, and the green broken line. Again, B is a tall letter. And tall letters start from the top, blue solid line. So we go down from blue to blue, and then we go up until the pink broken line and round again to the blue. One more time. From the blue line on top, we go down until the lower blue solid line. We go up to the red broken line and round again to the blue solid line. One more time. Blue, down, up to red and round to blue. Okay, now you do it. Say it with me. Okay. We go blue, down to blue, up to red, round to blue. One more time. Say it with me. Blue, down to blue, up to red, round to blue. You got it. Well done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay? I'll see you in the next letter. Bye!